If you find factoring really hard, that's okay. You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you a technique called factoring by grouping so you never get stuck factoring a quadratic like this again. This is especially helpful when your coefficient on x squared is not 1, it's 3 in this case. So here's how factoring by grouping works. First, I'm going to multiply the coefficient on x squared 3 in my number term. So that gets me to 42. 3 times 14 is 42. Now, I'm going to look for two numbers that multiply to 42 and add to negative 17. Why negative 17? Because that is our coefficient on x in our original equation. And so now, looking at the factors of 42, I see that I can choose negative 3 and negative 14. These two numbers multiply to 42 and add to negative 17. Now here's what I'm going to do. These become my new coefficients. I'm going to split this negative 17x into two terms. So now my quadratic becomes 3x squared minus 3x minus 14x plus 14. I split the negative 17 into minus 3 and minus 14. Now I'm going to factor each pair of terms. So this first pair, 3x squared minus 3x, and negative 14x plus 14. And when I factor this first pair, I get 3x times x minus 1 minus, and when I factor out the second pair, 14 times x minus 1. Now notice something very cool. We have this common factor x minus 1. So we can factor that out, x minus 1, and what we're left with is these two terms, the 3x and the minus 14 times 3x minus 14. This is actually going to be our answer. And to convince yourself, FOIL this out, and you'll see that you get 3x squared minus 17x plus 14. If you found this helpful, like and follow for more SAT math techniques just like this one.